Welcome to Get a Clue number 4, Selected Problems from the Math Models Benchmark Test. The purpose of this video is to go over two problems from the October benchmark test. On these, we want to concentrate on two things: using your brain when it comes to answering questions on tests, and disposing of the problems that you should get right. And as far as this test, I had two students who did pretty much kill the test: William in 6th period and Lewis in 8th period. Though there was quite a number of other students who also did quite well. I wanted to start with the last problem on the test. Many, if not most of you, got this free response problem correct, but it's important for everyone to understand the problem like this one. James is returning home from college. He is currently 15 miles from his college, and the total trip is 795 miles long. If James is traveling at a rate of 60 miles per hour, how many more hours of travel time does he have to get home? Some people took the total mileage, 795 miles, then used the d equals rt, or distance equals rate time, basic formula, and solve for t by dividing by r, which is 60. Those people found that 795 divided by 60 equals 13.25. While I congratulate every student who used the d equals rt formula properly and got 13.25, there's one problem with that answer. They used the wrong number in the numerator. There are two key things that should warn you that 795 may not be the correct number for the numerator. First, he is currently 15 miles from his college on the way home. And secondly, you are asked how many more hours of travel time he has yet to go. To find out how far he has yet to go, take the total distance from college, 795 miles, and subtract 15 miles, and that would equal 780 miles. To get the correct answer, divide 780 by 60 and press enter. The correct answer is 13 hours. You just need to read carefully. Sometimes the extra text is just there to distract you. In this case, that extra text makes a difference in the correct answer. One trouble spot I saw in this problem and the other free response problem is gridding in the answers properly. I had a student who wrote in 13 in the last two spaces, then bubbled in below. The trouble with this particular answer is that the student who chose 0.013 hours as the answer and not 13 as intended, meaning that James took 13 thousandths of an hour, or under a minute, for travel time to get home. The correct answer would be marked like this, with the 13 to the left of the decimal point. If you are able to get the answer right, please mark the answer sheet correctly so you can get credit for your correct answer. There was another problem to look at today, and this was a multiple choice problem, and it's a box and whiskers plot, and it stated, what is the range of the values in the box and whiskers plot below? To find the range, you just take the highest value minus the lowest value. So for these highest and lowest values, the range would be 95 minus 66, or 29. The test writers made it look a lot more complicated than it really was, and that's a tactic of test writers. I hope to get familiar with that. These have been just a couple problems. This has been Get a Clue number 4, Selected Problems from the Math Models Benchmark Test. Thanks for viewing.